In today's video, I will walk you through how to change or update phone number on PayPal. First, open any browser on your smartphone, tablet, laptop, or desktop, and go to the official PayPal website at www.paypal.com. If you are using a smartphone, whether Android or iPhone, make sure to enable desktop mode or desktop site in your browser before continuing. Once you are on the PayPal homepage, click on Login and sign into your PayPal account using your email or phone number and password. After logging in, you will be taken to your PayPal account homepage. The process is mostly the same for both business and personal accounts. If you are using a PayPal personal account, click on the settings icon at the top right corner beside Logout. This will open your profile settings page, where you can find the option to change or update your phone number. Once you locate the phone number section, click on Update or Change beside your current phone number. On the next page, to replace your old primary phone number with a new one, click on Add New. Now make sure the country code is correct before entering your new phone number into the required field. After entering the number, select Mobile in the category section. Once everything is entered correctly, click on Add Number. PayPal will then send a confirmation code to your new phone number. Enter the confirmation code into the confirmation field shown on the screen. After entering the code, click on Confirm. Once the phone number has been confirmed successfully, close the confirmation message by clicking on the X icon. You will then return to the phone number section, where both your old and new phone numbers will be listed on your account. To fully replace the old phone number with the new one, click on Remove beside the old phone number. After removing the old number, the new phone number will remain connected to your PayPal account. And that's pretty much it. That is how you can change or update your phone number on PayPal. Thank you for watching.